Good afternoon, my students. I'm Stuti Singh. Today I'm going to explain you about the poetry section of class 9 CBSE because most of my students have asked me that they have a problem in understanding the poetry section, especially the poem On Killing a Tree. So today I'm going to explain you some of the stanzas of the poem On Killing a Tree by J.F. Patel. So let's start. First of all, I would like to tell you about the introductory part of the poem. Over here, the poem talks about the act of cutting the trees. The poet says that it is not an easy job to cut down a tree, to destroy a tree, or you can say to do the deforestation. It is not an easy task. That's why the poet has given the name On Killing a Tree. Only a simple jab of knife or only a simple jab of axe will not do it. The knife cannot wipe out the existence of a tree. To actually kill a tree, we need to make much more effort. Similarly, it is not easy to kill the human soul. In the same way, it is not easy to kill a tree. It takes a lot of effort, lot of hard work to just kill a tree, to destroy the life of a tree. A simple blow of knife, a simple blow of axe will not do it, as I told you earlier also. So first of all, if you have a book of class 9 CBSE, open the poetry section and open the poem on killing a tree and look over there. Read the first stanza. I'm going to read it for you. Please listen to it carefully. It takes much time to kill a tree. Not a simple jab of the knife will do it. It has grown, slowly consuming the earth, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water, and out of its leprous hide, sprouting leaves. Over here, jab means you all know, sudden blow, rough blow. Consuming means to consume, to absorb something, or you are feeding upon something. Crust means you know the upper layer of the earth. Then absorbing means taking something inside, consuming something. Leprous hides, something discolorizing, something that has changed the color of it. And sprouting means to give birth. So now I'm going to explain you the first stanza of the poem. This stanza make us aware that killing of a tree is not an easy task. It is not an easy work to do. It is very time consuming. It takes a lot of time, lot of energy to cut down a tree or to kill a tree. A simple jab of knife, a simple blow of knife, a simple blow of axe will not able to kill a tree. If you will ask why, it is given in the stanza itself because the tree has consumed a lot of sunlight, a lot of air, water, and now it has become quite strengthened, quite strong. Previously, it was a little plant, it was a little seedling, and after consuming a lot with the passage of time, the plant consume a lot of sunlight, a lot of air and water, and by consuming these things, by absorbing these things, the tree has become much more strong, and that's why it is not an easy job to kill a tree. The reason is that the tree is so strong, as I have told you, it cannot be completely wiped out from the earth by a simple dint of a knife. A tree grows straight out the earth. You can feel on the cusp, absorb years of sunlight, air, and water, and it has absorbed years of water and air, and it has become too strong to simply cut down it. So it is a very difficult task to cut down a tree. All these makes them strong enough to be harmed so easily. And even though the barks look irregular and scaly, have you seen practically, if you have seen the trees, their strong barks, their strong stems, they are not smooth although. They are irregular, they have scales, so it is not easy job to cut down. Even they have on the branches, you have seen small, small leaves sprouting, and and coming out from the branches from the and new small some branches are especially they have discolored, some branches are looks very newly, some leaves look very smooth, very soft, so they are sprouting, some branches are sprouting off it after some time. So in the first stanza, basically the poet wants to tell us that it is not an easy task to cut down a tree because it has consumed years of sunlight, air, and water, and now it has become completely strong enough. So it will be not easy just to kill a tree by a simple jab of knife. We have to put a lot of effort to kill a tree. So this is all written in the first stanza of the poem. Hope you understand. That's all for today. Thank you.